It's Atif here once again, one of the SEO executives at Lemon. So today we are gonna study to fix how to fix the technical issues that are currently happening on our websites. And for that reason, we will be using Screaming Frog SEO Spider software. We can download it anywhere from Google or maybe from its official website. And then what we need to do is just paste our website link over here, and then we will click on the start button, and then it will start crawling our website. And once it is completed, then it will show us the issues list that are currently happening on our website. And then today we are gonna learn to fix this one issue, that is internal client error for XX issue. So what we need to do is just click on this issue, and then it will start showing us the issues, the specific URLs that are having this type of issue. And then, for example, if we need to fix any of these issues, for example, we are going to go for the first one. It is saying that this page is linked from any of the page on our website, and this page is not even loading. To verify this, I will paste this link in Google, and when I check, have a look at this, it is showing page not found 404 error on this page. And then the Google crawler may say like where this page is even linked when it is not sending user anywhere. So what we need to do is we need to remove this link from where it is linked, and maybe we can place the relevant link if we have found any other relevant page. So what we will do is we will click on that specific URL, and then we need to look at to the in links tabs over here. And then here it will show us the list of pages from where the this page is linked over here. And then in next it will show us the actual link that is placed, and then the anchor text. And then here we can also check the status code that is not found. So what we need to do actually is we need to replace this link with the actual link that is supposed to be placed in that internal link. Or maybe if we haven't any relevant page, then we will be removing that URL from there. So I will go to the page from where it is linked. I want to open it here, and then I will just edit this page in Elementor. And then I will go to check the anchor text that is fixed website. I will search it here, and here it is not linked. I will go down below. Yep, here it is. So I will click on this. This is the issue. I want to verify this again. I just clicked on this, and it is redirecting to 404 page. Then what I need to do is I need to replace this link with the relevant any other link. Or maybe if we don't find any, then we will be just removing this link like this. So I want to go to sitemap. I want to search for the penalty, because that was relevant to penalty recovery services. Then I found one relevant URL over here. I will copy it from here, and then what I will do is I will just replace the link, and that's it. Now the actual URL where our user is being sent is linked over here, and that's it. That's how we are gonna fix the 4xx issue on our website. And what it will do is it will save much of our authority that is being wasted by sending our users to 404 pages. And for that part of authority, we can share to the relevant and existing pages where we need the actual traffic. So yep, that's how we are gonna fix this one issue on our website. And that's the same method to go for the all of these URLs.